Hi, I'm Todd Limley, and I'm a journeyman plumber at Wayne Maples Plumbing and Heating. I love living on the North Coast. I was born and raised here, and I'm raising my family here too.
I like seeing all the completed projects that I've been a part of. At Maples, we take our training pretty serious. I had to complete over 10,000 hours of training and 5 years of education before I could take my test and be certified as a journeyman plumber. The best thing about Maples is all the people and that we've been part of this community for a long time. I like that.